Hello everyone and welcome back to Everyday Cooking with Mum and me. Today we are going to be making cabbage and spinach tikkis. These tikkis can be used in a stuffing for burgers, wraps, Frankies and many more. Or you could just enjoy it by itself, with any sauces, yogurts or chutneys. Cabbage and spinach are an excellent source of vitamins, calcium, iron and much more. Spinach also strengthens your bones, eyesight and immune system. Cabbage, however, helps improve digestion and lowers blood pressure. So have a go at this healthy recipe. We'll be using 1 tablespoon of a fresh ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of amchur powder, also known as dried mango powder, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, 1 tablespoon mixed herbs, 20 grams of freshly chopped coriander, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, 4 baby boiled potatoes, 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt, 200 grams grated cabbage, 150 grams of boiled spinach, and my mum's special spice box. So let's get started. We're going to start off by grating our potatoes. Then we're going to add our boiled spinach, which has been squeezed to make sure there is no excess water. Then add our coriander, gram flour, mixed herbs, ginger and garlic paste, our dried mango powder, our cabbage, yogurt, and half of our sesame seeds. Then we're going to mix it well. Then we're going to add half a teaspoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon salt, half a teaspoon red chili powder, and 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Give it another mix. Then, once everything is mixed, we're going to grease our hands and start making our tikkis. Now that we have made our tikkis, we're going to add some oil to a heated pan and grill them. Once you place your tikkis on the griller, you can put some sesame seeds on top. It's been a couple of minutes, so we're going to flip it. Put it on the other side for a couple of minutes. This is how our tikkis look once they've been cooked. I hope you guys try this out and enjoy them like we're going to do. You can have these tikkis with any sauces you like. We're having these with a coriander chutney. You can find the recipe for this in the description box. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to drop a like, leave a comment, share with friends and family, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Bye for now, happy cooking!